In this video, we're going to be reviewing how to add a Facebook pixel to a funnel. If you're using a Facebook pixel to track events for your ads, you'll want to add the pixel code to your funnel and funnel steps. This is a great way to monitor conversations from Facebook ads, along with providing data to help optimize your ads. There's a couple things you'll need. First is the Facebook pixel. The second is knowing the events you want to track. We'll separate this into two parts. Part 1 will be adding your pixel code to your funnel. To get the pixel code, you want to sign into your Facebook Business Manager. From there, navigate to your Events Manager. If you need assistance on how to do this, please refer to the Facebook for Business Help Center. Here you can find detailed information on how to navigate within your Facebook Business Manager account. After you obtain your pixel code, you'll want to navigate to the funnel where you're going to be adding that code. Once you have the funnel selected, go to Settings and click on Get Your Pixel Code and paste it here. This will be where it says Head Tracking Code. Once you enter that, select Save. Now for Part 2, which is adding in an event-specific code to individual pages, choose the step where the event in question is occurring. For example, the lead would occur after an opt-in. Once you're in the desired step, click on the Edit page from your funnel builder. Find where it says Settings and click in the drop-down to select the one that says Tracking Code. Click on the footer code, and here we paste in the event code. For more information on standard events, you can always refer to the Facebook for Developers page. You can find all the information on events that you can apply within the script. After you've pasted the event code, select Yes and Save. And this is how you add a Facebook pixel to a funnel within your account.